Welcome back. So now that we know the basics of how to navigate Canvas, we are now going to download a document into our Notes app from Canvas. We'll edit it in our Notes app and then save it to Google Drive. And then once we have that, I'm going to show you how to submit that assignment accessing it from Google Drive. So first thing we're going to do is open up our Notes app, which if you're operating on an iOS device, you'll automatically have this. First thing I want you to do is when you pull this up, top left here, you see folders. I want you to go to that and see how I've already got folders for all my classes. Well, I need to create a new one for my Canvas tutorial, so I'll show you how to do that. On the bottom left, you see the little folder with a plus sign. Tap that and hit new folder. I'm going to call this Canvas tutorial. Okay. That's where we're going to save our note. So we want to make sure you have your folders for all your classes. It helps keep things a lot more organized. Okay, so let's go to the Canvas. Go to Canvas training course. And we're going to go to this first assignment, saving assignment to Google Drive and uploading it to Canvas. Go ahead and tap the link. So here I've got highlighted here. Go ahead and tap that link. Then from here, top right, the little box with the up arrow, the upload button, we're going to upload that to our Notes app. And then from here, it says Save To. See the arrow on the far right of that bar? We're going to tap that. And it should pull up all these. I want to save it to my Canvas tutorial note. And hit Create New Note. And then save at the top right. Okay, swipe out. And if I go to my Notes app, now I can go to Canvas tutorial. And here it is. So go ahead and double tap on that. It says, and then to edit this, see the pencil with a circle around it in the top right corner. Select that. Select the pen. You can change the darkness here or the thickness of your pencil from there as well, and you can make it some other random colors as well. I'll just stick with black. And you can zoom in here and it says what are the things in which you are most interested. For me, that's going on walks with my family. I'm going to put family walks. I like going biking, just on trails, playing basketball, golf. I like going golfing and love watching college football. Go Big Red. Okay, so you can put whatever you like there. Now, in the top right corner, we're going to save this to our Google Drive. So if you have the Google Drive app downloaded already, you can do that from the App Store. It'll automatically populate here. Hit Google Drive, and then select folder in the bottom here, My Drive. Now, I haven't created one for this yet, so in the top right, with the folder with the plus sign, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'll call it Canvas Tutorial. Great. And I'll save it here. Again, makes it a lot easier for me to find. And then I got to remember to hit the upload button in the top right. Now it's uploading to my Google Drive. The great thing about this is that it ensures that no matter what, it is always backed up to the Google Drive cloud, and that allows you to also to access this from any other device as well, which is really nice. And it could be it doesn't even have to be iOS then. Okay, and it's going to save it as a PDF. So now go to Canvas. I'm going to submit this assignment. So if I go back, open the training course, hit this. In the yellow, you see Submit Assignment. I'm going to select that. and I'm gonna hit the little files with the plus sign. Now, Google Drive doesn't automatically populate on here, so what I need to do is go to Browse in the top left, and then see the little 3 dots on the right side of Browse, right here. I'm gonna hit Edit Sidebar. All I have to do is toggle the Google Drive, hit Done in the top right, and now it shows up. So now I can go here, hit Google Drive, and I'm going to search Canvas tutorial. And here it is in the folder. And that's the assignment I need, saving assignments. Then hit Submit. Hooray! You should see the confetti fly. Now, just tap anywhere outside that box, and you'll see here it says successfully submitted, and in the green with the check mark right underneath the assignment title, it says submitted August 8th, 2022 at 4:48 p.m. That tells you that this is in fact submitted. If you do not see that, you can try it again by swiping in and out of the app. So I could go here. If it didn't work, I would maybe turn off and on my Wi-Fi, even restart your iPad if you need to. Every once in a while, the internet isn't operating correctly, and it might cause you to have problems submitting. Those issues are few and far between, but if you do run into that, those are some ways to fix that. So if it didn't work, you could just hit resubmit assignment and try it again. But again, if you see the green successfully submitted and the timestamp, you know that it's done. So there you go. That's how to save an assignment to Google Drive and then uploading it to Canvas.